Good night, unit number 6 final exam work individual. Take care of your pronunciation. Metropolitan University of Education and Science and Technology, UMass. Faculty of Law and Forensic Science. Bachelor degree in Law and Politics and Science. Oral exam. Podcast. Professor Magister Bielka Excel Cornejo Jardines. Final exam. Name Dania Bosquez. Date for the December. Reading banking, fraud, rebellion, criminal or civil crime. Why? This is a criminal offense because altering financial statement to achieve a desired outcome such as improving liquidity rate to get a bank loan approved or to pay less tax or access certain tax benefits can become a criminal offense that will involve imprisonment. This can be apparent from the reading of Article D Trade Code. Penalty for misrepresentations in the balance sheets. Administrator accounts and tax reviewer who order to lie, make or cover falsehood comment on the balance sheet shall incur the penalty provided for in the criminal code for the crime of falsity in private documents and shall be only and severe coverage of or the damage caused, as noted in the case where Johnson why not bank managers saw the range of possibility very wide. It is enough to tolerate falsehood, something that can happen to a public account or tax reviewer who covering the matter in the one with a blank edge or course since the financial statement. Video, watch and listen to this podcast summary. In my opinion, I feel satisfied with the methodology used by the teacher during the virtual class. Is it truly a chance to maintain the discipline and the requires a great dose of self-will to continue studying during the pandemic. However, we needed to thank God that we are able to do it and have the resources to continue studying. Many parents right now are having a hard time feeding their children. As the teacher mentioned, the professor working at private school was contract was suspended, do not have a stable source of income. I would like to thank you, Professor Bielka, for your work and let's wish for the best in the coming months. Thank you. Technical vocabulary of the parties. Testigo, experto, expert witness. Testificar, testify, rumors. Caso de agresión, assault case. Víctima, victim. Competencia, competition. Testificar, testify. Testigo, legal witness. Significado, significativo, significant. Obligado, obligate. Verdad, truth. Sospechoso, suspect. Embellecer, beautify. Malinterpretar, de primera mano, first hand, recitation, preparado, prepared, anulado extraoficialmente, unofficially, canceled, considerar, to consider, más allá del alcance de pericia, beyond the scope, expertise, sencillo y easy, seguimiento, tracing, previamente, previously, asistente legal assistant, testigo en el tribunal, witness in court, entendido en su totalidad, under in the entirety, permiso, permission, testimonio en el tribunal, testimonio un court. Good night.